All right, Lee Harris.
Yes.
Arnold sent over at Limestone. Arnold sent us an email about his condo in Jefferson County. Apparently, the condo, Arnold's condo, is on the first floor, and water from a second floor unit leaked into his unit and damaged the wood floor. So apparently, the neighbor's AC unit froze, or the line froze running under the floor, caused water to come into his unit, and he's wondering now what happens. Does his insurance company pay for it? Does the neighbors pay for it? Does the condo association pay for it? What are your thoughts, Lee?
That's a great question because, of course, this happens quite often because you're sharing walls and you're sharing ceilings and floors. So, typically speaking, it will be the condo owner above whose actual device broke or whatever who caused the damage. Their insurance company or the that owner themselves should pay for that damage. However, sometimes insurance companies might fight. That means that that the the downstairs owner might have to get his insurance company to pay it and then subrogate against the other one. If it's something in the middle, in between, which is actually the condo association's pipes, they are supposed to pay for it. So a condo owner owns from the drywall in, and the condo association owns that gap in the middle. So sometimes there's even a dispute about, was it a condo association's pipe or was it the neighbor's pipe? And so that adds a third layer of insurance in there because they have a master insurance plan that should cover anything that they're liable for. So it will get fixed, fortunately, but it might take a couple of tries to find out who is actually going to pay it.
And we should point out, and we have a question coming up next week on this, on the next week's show, with regards to condo associations, that there are some copper pipes that are in the walls of a lot of condo units that are starting to have pinhole leaks,
Oh, yes.
and it's creating problems. And so we'll get to that, an answer from Brett Lawler over at Home Team, if there's anything you can do as a condo owner to protect yourself. But just know that that is a problem, and we'll follow up on that and continue to monitor those types of problems for our audience.